Window Replacement Group is your source for window and door replacements in the Florida area. Your safety is our top priority, which is why we specialize in products that provide outstanding value by protecting your home from the harshest weather conditions while enhancing its beauty, security, and efficiency. We choose manufacturers who build the highest quality products with world-class standards like WeatherShield, WinDoor, CGI, PGT, and ES Windows. Your new window and door replacements are protected by a 5-year warranty, so you can be confident in the investment you're making in your home. We have over 33 years of experience installing window and door replacements in the South Florida area. We have the variety you need to find the perfect match for your home and your budget. Visit our beautiful showroom or website at www.windowreplacementgroup.com today or call us at 561-861-1040 for your no obligation estimate. Order now to pay no sales tax before March 31st.